The second group is a whole new business for Wake Forest, and that is enabling the outside to reach into Wake Forest, to enable outside to know what our research capabilities are, our assets are, and to structure those and to contract those with the outside on a fee-for-services basis, whereby the outside can understand that value, work with the investigators, and help their products be developed. So that's a whole new business. We already have several product offerings which are subject of contracts. The third, of course, is this research park, and the intent there is to move from the phase of developing this as a commercial real estate operation, but one that's really here to support current and future tenants. So it's going to be a service business. It's one which will be enable us to attract companies into incubators. We'll be activating the space. Big things happening here in the park.
Absolutely. I'm going to go back to the bringing the outside into Wake Forest for a moment. Give us some specific examples of research assets that we have in place that we've already invested in that you believe are going to be very attractive to the outside.
We've invested in, over the last few years, in preclinical surgical services. A group of excellent investigators, excellent scientists and technicians who are able now to offer their services, if you will, to the outside through Wake Forest Innovations. That will enable the outside to see the breadth of techniques that we have here, the number of animal models that we have, that they can avail themselves of and start to help their work. So preclinical surgical services is one of them. We're looking at genetic testing amongst a variety of other techniques.
So the basic idea there, we've already invested in these areas, and I guess historically they were really done for internal purposes, serving almost as core labs. The idea is to attract outside business to use this.
And we have a lot of capacity there, excess capacity that can be supported by Wake Forest Innovations, promoted to the outside, and the outside can contract back into Wake Forest through Wake Forest Innovations.